Good morning, guys. We just went to 7-Eleven, but today actually is February 2, the date of the 7-Eleven run series held in Cebu. So actually, mga that's part of the route later. Actually, it's just near our house. Unfortunately, I was able to join. I would have wanted to join, but you know, we have responsibilities. We have to drive our wife, diba? So we'd rather you know, responsibility first. Pero the nice thing about running is fun runs on a Sunday is, yes, it encourages people to run, and it's running is like the cheapest form of exercise as well, or cheapest sport, because all you need, you know, it's a good running shoe. Some even don't need running shoes, they just run barefoot. Diba? And speaking of sports, yesterday I was at the launch of the Milo Active Pilipinas. So Milo is encouraging, you know, school age, you know, kids to get into sports, and that's a nice thing yet sa Milo is, you know, they want to ignite, you know, the imagination, as they say, or they want to, you know, they always say that great things starts from small beginnings, and many of our national athletes, you know, start young, di ba? Start them young. Di ba? And it's nice na mo na nag-aggregator nag-encourage, not really, although Milo sponsors mga high-level competitions also, but kung ano na yung pinaka-beginner ba, because that's also important. Without the encouragement, without, you know, the starting push, you won't be able to, you know, we won't be able to develop our new sports stars, di ba? Kung why mga Milo clinics, di ba? Pahinomdom ko na pagkabata na mo ang uso ng Milo basketball clinic. Milo, basta kag Milo kid ka, may kay ka mo dribble, di ba? Milo. And that's katong SBP, Passerelle. And karon ang Milo has a lot of programs na they want to develop kids, encourage kids to start. Nakakita mga sports program, watch the bus. Last year I think they involved 2 million kids, and all in all 5 million kapil mga parents pa, but 2 million kids were involved in Milo events or activation, Milo Active Pilipinas. And I would say that's really important na natin makingala ba na naliging na events, and now they are coordinating, or they're collaborating with the Department of Education, the POC, and the PSC. So mas nindot man na unified program ba kaning sa grassroots, especially kay what's more grassroots than to, you know, go to schools, di ba? And mo na kalungog ko gahapon sa speech mo sa 2,000 national athletes. I think 90% came from public schools, 90% came from the provinces. So mo na ang point ana is, yes, very sakto nang gibuhat sa Milo that they launched their national sports program in Cebu, in Mandaue City, because to make it more inclusive, and also to really, you know, discover or to encourage more athletes from the provinces, especially from the public schools. Nakadindot ala is lastly collaboration with what you call it, the DepEd. Kaya mo na ang DepEd maging ang nag-hold sa one of the biggest, or probably the biggest organized sports competition, which is the Palarong Pambansa. And Palarong Pambansa, it's not just Palarong Pambansa, it starts with the school meet, district meet, unit meet, provincial meet, regional meet. I've been there before but that was way back. Pero mo na it's one, the structure, so pero dapat saktos to kiingon ni sa PSA na taas na daan standards, international standards na daan, even sa officiating, sa coaching, the rules must adhere with the international standards. So, diba? Okay, kaning mga kuha na to usahay, diba? Of course, we need to train our officials as well. Kung wala nakaibaw sa rules, wala nakaibaw sa mga training methods, dili isa na may mong as effective. So, manang akong saludo ko, Milo Active Pilipinas. If you have kids, school age kids, I hope they get into sports yun, karong summer, labi na, di ba? Because getting into sports is crucial also to the development kids, especially kids ko na from 8 to 18, I think. Money kinadaghanag energy. Di ba? Daghanag lagsik ka na mga bataan, at we need to channel that energy towards something, diba? Towards something more disciplined, something more beneficial in the future, like sports, diba? Kung tayo, okay sa music if you want kailangan ka mag-singer or acting, but yeah, sports is the one. It's many consider sports is the way out of poverty, or the way towards getting a quality education. And mana nindot na yung mga bata magdahumta na while young, di ba? And who knows, our kids will be the next Hidelin Diaz, Carlos Yulo, mga EJ Buena, mga Olympic medalists. Ben, I think if we start early, start young, yan, like ito yung program that's sustainable, that's been done every year in, year out, man ang dapat suportahan ng palaro. I think we can produce more Olympians. Takay ba mo, daog ba na sa Olympics o di? Sometimes it's the luck or the gift na ginagawa, gasa na ginagawa kung ikaw ang mudaog sa Olympics. Sa Olympics mo you're the best of the best. For the fact lang kita mapadana to, let's say sa una tag 20 lang na ito mapadana sa Olympics, highest na ubang countries they can send hundreds. Diba? Or triple the amount, double the amount. So if we can even send 50 people in the Olympics, basta ko tag-chance mag-gold. And secondly, meaning natin 50 people nakapasar sa Olympic standards. So mga 7-Eleven, kada mga tao naghakot yun, they call it the hakot run. Mas daghan ko mahakot. So mga kanang 7-Eleven, pasalamat sa ta for organizing fun runs to encourage people also to get into running, get into shape, but also it's an avenue for athletes also to compete. Parang mga taga-UC nasa avenue to compete, to succeed, to break their records, to get medals, dili lang participation medals, but really true competition medals yun. Diba? So mga get into sports. There are programs like Milo Active Pilipinas that is daghan king sports na gifokusan. Sana makatabang taning lagi kung may buhaton yung kids, diba? Kaysa naman, although esports is becoming popular also, but I think kung bata parang give them the real physical sport, kanang Olympic sport yun, diba? Kaya mas maayo. So mani diri agi ang 7-Eleven run, diri mga tao. Congratulations to all finishers, participants, organizers, diba? And of course to 7-Eleven, congratulations, especially for hosting the event, the brand, and for giving a lot of giveaways. Of course, the sponsors and for making the fun run really fun. Mama na ikuan sa 7-Eleven. One of the fun things about 7-Eleven run is daghan kayo mahakot na dalan mura kag nag-grocery. So thank you so much for all the sponsors also. And of course, muna balik tas Milo. Keep up with what you're doing. Diba? And finally, ang atong question of the day is, growing up, what sport were you playing? Diba? Same sports, bye. And thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you sa next na to ng mga drives. Okay, bye.